I'm going to show you how to host your website for the Love This Project 2. First of all, what you want to make sure of is, let me show you this in your... Okay, so first of all, before you host something, you want to make sure that all of your web page, your website, pictures, pages are in one folder. Okay? So you want to, if you don't have that yet, then you would right-click in your web design folder and do a new folder. Call it something that you... I'm just going to call mine something, okay? And then after that, in your folder, put all of your files. I'm going to delete mine because I don't want that in mine. But you want to put all of your web pages that relate. This is my folder here. All of your web pages, style sheet, images. This is my sound file. All of them are in one folder. Okay. Make sure also that your home page is named Index. We did that in a previous video. Make sure all your links are pointing. By default, websites that are hosting look for Index as being the default home page. Okay. So after you have those two things, then you're going to right-click your folder and go to Properties. And you want to share it. Okay, so if I go into my Google Drive, and go down to my folder, lots of folders. This is my folder. I want to, by default, anyone with a link can share it. So you want to make sure that you select that anyone with a link on the internet the link can view, and then click Done. Okay. Okay, so once you have those two things, you have everything in your web design folder, one that's specific to this project, and you have your home page named Index, then you're going to go to Drive to Web, and then you'll click Host on Google Drive. You'll pick your account, and then you'll allow this Drive to Web to do that. And then after it finds your page, you could name, pick a new name, just put your name. It needs a long name, so okay. And then right here, this is your site. So you can click on your page. So what you're going to do is click on your home page. Hi. And then this is your URL or your address for your website. So you need to right-click it and copy it, the address, and then send it to somebody else first to make sure your link works and everything works. So can send it to, you can email it to people. You can go in to your mail, and then So send it to somebody within the room. And you can send it to yourself too. You can share it with other people if it works, wait till it works. But then click on insert link and then paste the link. You can say, and then that'll be the link. And then click send. And then they should be able to check the link and make sure it works, okay? So sometimes it's delayed, so you might have to wait just a little bit, but have that other person browse around your whole site, make sure your links work, make sure everything's showing up. Have them look at it before you submit it, okay? And then you know that things are going good, okay? That's it.